is Shonda Ashby, and my lesson is drawing conclusions using the grasshopper and owl. It's a fable by Aesop, and it is aimed for the 3rd grade level. It's going to help the children learn what a fable is, and it's also going to work with teaching them how to draw conclusions when they read a story. Okay, so Madison is going to be my assistant today. She is my class. This is my daughter, and so the first thing we're going to go over is the story we have. It's called The Grasshopper and the Owl. It is actually called a fable. Do you know what a fable is?
Really non-fiction.
It's kind of fiction. It means it's fake. But Aesop was a famous author, and he wrote these stories to help us understand some things about life and morals and things that we should think about in our own lives, using little funny animals that could usually talk or, do stuff like that. And he wrote us this story so we could go over, but we're going to use it today in learning about how to draw conclusions reading the story. When we draw conclusions, we can think about, I'll give you an example. If I went to the store and I bought a birthday cake, and I bought balloons, and I bought presents, what do you think I'm going to be doing?
Having a birthday party.
That's right. You drew conclusions using facts and my descriptive words in my example. Well, that's what we do when we read stories. Also, we try to take some of the words and we try to draw conclusions using those words and come to an idea that we think is going to happen using that story. So anyways, let's see. What we're going to do, we're going to go read over. Actually, we have a few of we got vocabulary words we want to go over. And I want you to try to listen to these vocabulary words and try to find them in our story and try to think about what they mean in our story. Okay, so our key vocabulary words we're going to be listening to is delicious, gleam, insect, noisy, and rude. So those are the ones we're going to be looking for in our story that we're going to read over. Okay. And like I said, when we draw conclusions, it means that we're going to figure out something about a character or an event. So to reach a conclusion, readers use clues in the words or art found in the book, plus what they already know. So we try to think about things that we already know, and we're going to try to think about things that we know about the grasshopper and the owl. And that's what we're going to think about right there. Okay.